TBP uses different soldering techniques. Special boards, or boards with a small production run, are soldered by hand using a soldering iron. Conventionally assembled boards go through the wave soldering bath. The soldering is washed against the underside of the printed circuit board. Soldering is nothing more than making an electronic connection using melted metal. Another soldering technique is done by heating soldering paste. In this technique, the paste is changed into a long-lasting soldering connector. This technique is mostly applied during the fully automated soldering of SMD components. Unfortunately, other types of components cannot be done using this process. Till recently, adding conventional components and wires meant a lot of work by hand. To simplify this process and to increase the reliability of these soldering connections, TBP uses a special automated soldering machine. This makes it possible to solder so-called through-hole parts onto designated places on the board. Through-hole parts are components such as a trafo, a connector, and such, where the cables are put through holes in the PCB. The secret is the combination of a robot that guides the board and a mini soldering bath. This technique is known as selective soldering. During the soldering process, a flux or liquid must be applied to ensure maximum joining. The surface of the metal parts must be free of impurities, as these can cause poor joining.